Welcome to my openCV tutorial. I recently got Microsoft Expressions allowing me to record and capture stuff on the screen. Thought I'd give it a try. Also working on an openCV project. Thought I'd make a small tutorial about openCV. I'm just going to walk through the basic functions of openCV. There's a lot of documentation out for openCV, but none of it's very good. And for a computer vision project, you think there'd be more tutorials involving actual vision? No, it's a lot of text. So I ran my program here. A lot of boxes pop up. I've got a second monitor. I'm going to drag things over one at a time and explain it. Each little box is basically one function in openCV. So here's your basic screen. Really easy to make once you get openCV going. It's 4 lines. Create video source, a frame source. Put a frame from the video source into the frame source, and then draw it. And you get this. 4 lines. You can make things grayscale. One more line. Very easy. You can threshold things. Split the colors into, dark or light. And you can, I made a slider to, adjust these values, how much black, how much white you want. It's just one line, the threshold function. There's also the adaptive threshold function. That's what this ends up looking like. It's not, I don't really know why you'd use it, but there it is. There's the Sobel operator. Come on, there we are. It highlights contrast, changes in the gradients, and so that's what the Sobel looks like. Pretty funky. If you combine grayscale, Sobel, and a threshold, you get the canny, which is just also its own function, one line. It creates lines out of a picture. It's okay, works all right. You sort of have to play with the tolerances a little, but it keeps kind of cutting out areas or finding too many lines here in the face, but not a line in the neck. So I thought I'd improve it by basing it on colors. I made a little histogram to break down the picture into its individual colors, red, green, blue, showing how much of each there is. It says there's a lot of red. I tried breaking it up into its individual channels, and they all kind of look the same. As you can see, red kind of looks like the green, kind of looks like the blue. And I tried applying cannies to them. Didn't work too well. Just I was a little disappointed. Canny for the red just doesn't really show much. Canny for the green, same thing. It pulls out the letters on my shirt. I don't know why. Canny for the blue. None of them really did what I wanted to do. And apparently that's because the red, green, blue color space is not very good. And that is why they invented something called the YUV color space, which looks like this. And its 3 individual channels look like this. And as you can see, the colors sort of are a little more defined here in the 3 different channels. So then I tried applying the canny to that. It wasn't much better, but still, it was a little better. And then you'd figure the next step would be to find shapes out of those lines. And that's where I used the Hue circle transform to try to find circles, mainly my head. It didn't work too well. As you can see, it's kind of messy. It's jumping all over the place, and it's finding circles out of the background. It thinks this picture, the side of my head, my shoulder, and the bed all comprise one circle. Um, it's kind of finding something on my cheek is a circle, not really my eye. It's finding some circle here in the middle of my picture, which is most definitely not circles. So the Hughes circle transform doesn't work that great, um, and that's the cutting edge. So if anyone can invent a better, more reliable way to find real circles, that would be awesome. And that's the end of my tutorial. Thanks.